For years, a successful entrepreneur with a deep appreciation for design had been searching for the perfect piece of land in Marin County to build his dream home. His quest led him to a secluded hilltop property nestled amongst a symphony of California oaks and towering redwoods. This heavily wooded haven, offering breathtaking 270-degree vistas of MT Tamalpais and the shimmering San Francisco Bay, proved to be worth the wait. The site's seclusion provided an escape from the urban bustle, a tranquil retreat where the fog often rolled in, leaving the property untouched. The client envisioned a home that would seamlessly blend modernist aesthetics with the rustic charm of Northern California. He sought a residence that would not only complement but enhance the natural beauty of its surroundings. To achieve this vision, EYRC Architects employed a series of stacked boxes, carefully calibrating their proportions to maximize the panoramic views and harmonize with the site's topography. A highlight of the property was the outdoor living space, centered around a black tile lap pool. Hovering 18 inches above the terrace, a square spa provided a unique and luxurious bathing experience. Both pools, with their infinity edges, seamlessly blended with the horizon, reflecting the ever-changing hues of the sky and the majestic Mount Tamalpais. The piece de resistance was the floating master's suite, which occupied the entire second floor. This expansive haven extended outwards from the main living volume, offering unparalleled panoramic views. The suite was a sanctuary of tranquility, designed to provide the ultimate retreat for the homeowner. The architects meticulously selected a palette of rich, earthy materials, including terracotta clay tiles that echoed the warm tones of the redwood bark. These tiles, combined with rain-zinc fascias and expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, created a striking contrast against the lush greenery. Adjacent to the main living area, a series of volumes housed guest rooms, a state-of-the-art gym, a rejuvenating spa, and a private office, each offering captivating views of the surrounding landscape. Spring Road is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and the harmonious integration of architecture with nature. It is a home that celebrates the beauty of its surroundings while providing a luxurious and inspiring living experience for its discerning owner. The project stands as a testament to EYRC Architects' ability to create spaces that are both elegant and functional, reflecting the unique vision and lifestyle of their clients. This narrative aims to capture the essence of the project as described, focusing on the key elements, the client's vision, the site's unique characteristics, the architectural approach, and the luxurious features of the completed home. Alright everyone, that wraps it up for today. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you have any video ideas, leave them in the comments. I'm always looking for inspiration. See you next time.